So this is the product that I have ordered from eBay. It's soldering iron. The cost of the product is rupees 199, and it's from eBay. So okay, now we'll just unbox the box. I'm ready with my Caesar. So here it's ebay.in. Okay, let us see how is the packing. A packing almost it's a good packing. Okay, opened it. Yeah, as usual, the packing is very good from the eBay. Yeah, fully rolled. I will open this. A soldering iron of 20 watt, I hope so. It is a very good quality product for the project purpose. I just didn't got it from the store nearby the home, so I ordered it from the market online website, as eBay was giving it at very low price, so I just ordered it from eBay. It's better if I'll tear this. Yeah. Okay, so this is what, I don't think so you will get this type of product anywhere at rupees 199. Really, eBay is doing a great job. See, this is the soldering. I just didn't believe that it will be something like this. A very good product from the outside it's looking, as I have got this free soldering paste, and it's the soldering wire. A very good product for the project purpose. Okay, we'll open this. Wow, really, I liked it very much. It's something like this. We have to plug in this one inside the socket, and it will just start. And this is the part where it will become heat. Really a very nice product. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for subscribing my channel, and just do subscribe my channel and do thumbs up, and just stay tuned for my more upcoming videos. Thank you.